In the lush and vibrant Dino Valley, a young dinosaur named Rex was famous for his curiosity and sharp mind. Rex was a small but brave Tyrannosaurus with a deep love for mystery stories. One sunny morning, an urgent problem swept through Dino Valley. A rare egg had gone missing from the nest at the Dino Hatchery. The egg belonged to a species thought to be long extinct, and its hatching was eagerly awaited by everyone in the valley. The news hit like a lightning bolt, causing panic among the residents. Determined to help, Rex put on his detective hat and decided to solve the mystery. Rex gathered his two best friends to assist him. First was Velo, a speedy Velociraptor known for her agility and sharp eyesight. Second was Tris, a clever Triceratops with a knack for solving puzzles and an encyclopedic knowledge of Dino Valley. Together, they formed a formidable team. The first clue came from the now empty nest. "Look at these tracks," Velo pointed out with her keen eyes. "They're not like any dinosaur tracks I've seen before." Tris peered closely. "These are unusual indeed. It looks like we might be dealing with someone from outside Dino Valley." The trio followed the tracks, which led them to the edge of the forest. Suddenly, they heard rustling in the bushes. "Who's there?" Rex called out, taking a brave step forward. Out came a small, timid Pteranodon named Pipp, who admitted he saw a shadowy figure carrying the egg in the early morning. "But I was too scared to follow," Pipp confessed. With Pipp's information, the detectives ventured deeper into the forest. They discovered more clues. A piece of broken eggshell hanging from a branch, scratches on tree trunks, and a trail of feathers. "We're getting closer," Rex announced confidently. The clues led them to a dark cave. Inside, they found a mischievous Oviraptor named Ollie, who had taken the egg out of sheer curiosity. "I didn't mean any harm," Ollie said, looking regretful. "I just wanted to see if I could hatch it myself." Rex knew Oviraptors had a reputation, but also that Ollie had a good heart. After a firm but kind lecture on the importance of the egg to Dino Valley, Ollie agreed to return it. With the egg safely back in its nest, the valley erupted in cheers. Rex, Velo, Tris, and Pipp were hailed as heroes. They watched closely as, later that week, the egg began to hatch, revealing a baby dinosaur many thought to be a legend. Rex smiled proudly, happy he could protect his beloved home. The Dino detective team had cracked their first big case, and they knew there would be more mysteries to solve in the future.